guys, it's Emma. Welcome to my dorm. Blake's filming this video for me. Okay, so this is our dorm. We're living in Reynolds Hall, and I can tell you that because we're filming it right before we move out, and this is Florida State University. So when you first walk in our door, we have this over here. This is from Hobby Lobby, and then we put up a few pictures that we printed out, and we have this whiteboard that all of our friends sign, and this picture from project graduation. Very nice. This, Blake got, where's it from?
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby, and she got the Zen garden that people have been loving. It's been a real hit here this summer, but our friends have made a mess of it, and it's everywhere. Then we have this over the fridge thing from some home warehouse thing that we don't know what it's called.
I forgot what it was called.
And our fridge that we just got some magnets. We got a nice Friends one and an Avengers one. Blake doesn't like the Avengers, but it's mine. And then our NBC studio tour things. And on this side, oh, she's showing us the fridge. I don't know what's in there. Then we have our mirror that we hung up. It's nice and nice from Walmart. It was like $10, very nice. And when you keep walking, this is what you see over here. We have our closets. These are an E and a B from Hobby Lobby. And then we hold like our stuff on it, like my lanyard, her hat, and purse. This is my closet. It's messy.
Don't open mine.
That's it. This is Blake's, I guess, messy too. And over here, we have all of our playbills hanging on these lights that I've had since I was like 6. And my dad got them for Christmas, but I didn't like them, so I kept them in my closet, and now we're putting them to use. So thank you, Dad. These we've used like 3 times total. We got them to be productive and do our work, and we've been productive and done our work like 3 times. Then we have all of our shoes over here. She has like the top few and I have the bottom few, but in the fall we're gonna each have one because we have too many shoes. And then the top's our laundry stuff and Blake's little thing.
It's a heating pad.
Heating pad. This is the overview of everything else. This is Blake's side of the room, and all of our like wall decor stuff is from Hobby Lobby. We got those 2 from Hobby Lobby, the lights from Hobby Lobby. Is that from Hobby Lobby? I don't know.
Home Goods.
Home Goods. Our bedding we got from Target. We have the same everything. This pillow is from Society 6. This is from
The home
the
store
same
that I don't know
home
what's called.
store. Yeah. And then under our beds we have like the dressers that FSU gave us, and then the laundry baskets are from Bed Bath & Beyond. That's Blake's shower thing. And then our trash and recycling. And then we have a Star is Born poster that we got from the FSU movie theater, a Friends poster that Blake got from Five Below, a La La Land poster that I won from AMC movie theaters, and then like kind of the same deal. This is my side. Target bedding. Jared got me the NBC pillow from NBC, the same 2 pillows from Society 6 in that home store. Randy made me that thing right here, which is very cute and I love it. That La La Land thing, I guess none of this stuff is from Hobby Lobby except the lips up there. That's from Forever 21. Kayla made me that. Kiara got me the picture frame, and I put a picture of me, Keegan, and Kiara in there. And yeah, that's really my side. Then the lights are just from, I don't know, Target or something. Yeah, the rug is from Ross, and we spent like an hour trying to pick it out to get the softest one, and I think we found the softest one. So I'm very satisfied with our purchase.
These are my socks. They don't match.
Our friends are satisfied with it as well. They always tell us how soft it is. This is from Costco. We keep all of our blankets and like sheets for the air mattress in there. And I was gonna keep the air mattress in there, but it's too big. It doesn't fit in there. And it helps us get onto our bed because it's hard. Those are bins from Target, whatever. Keeps all my stuff.
And these.
Oh yeah, these are from, this one's from the FSU bookstore. Yours is from the home store?
Yeah.
Oh, these sheets are from Urban Outfitters. And yes, moving on to our desks and everything. This is Blake's. She wanted to show you her laptop case.
Look at all of my stickers. And here are my textbooks. Have not opened this one once, and that one was actually kind of useful.
This is her stuff and her schedule. And our wall of pictures of all of our friends. These are all of our friends, and it's like me and Blake in every picture, like together, but then like us with our friends too. I think we have too many pictures together. This is Blake's project that she also wanted to show you.
This is my recording studio.
Yes, for her modern popular
Those
music
are my parents.
class. And this is her desk.
This is my desk. This is my backpack.
Okay. It's from Herschel. This is our kitchen. So over here we have our bowls, and we're down to 2 plates. We used to have 4, but Chipotle burritos got on the other one. We didn't feel like cleaning it. These are all of our cups that we used only 2 of them at a time. So we needed 15, as you can tell. I don't even know what's down here. These are napkins, some popsicles, measuring cups, napkins down here, paper bags, I don't know.
And that is our toaster that we only use in the kitchen.
Yes, we're not allowed to plug it in, so we have to take it up to the kitchen every morning to make my toast. This is our printer that ran out of ink, so now we have to pay 10 cents
Thank
at
you,
the
Brittany.
library. Our friend Brittany used all of our ink, but we love her, so it's okay. This is a censored.
Blur that out.
Jordana got this for us for our grad gift, so that's us and all of our friends. And my grandma sent me and Blake these. Blake's is over there. They went to Savannah and sent them, so that was very nice. We have Fuller House back there. We tried to start watching, we've seen it, but we wanted to rewatch it. We got through 1 DVD and then stopped. Tissues, this thing that we haven't used in a while, but it smelled really good for a while. Camera. Our pantry that is running low right now because we move out in 2 days. Yeah, that's running low. We don't have any more food. Our Keurig, some cups and mugs and cups, our microwave, and on top we have our picture of our lovely Deca board, our salt and pepper, and my 175 scrunchies.
Thank you, Jared.
These are all of these, which I started taking very nicely at the beginning of the semester and then stopped, which is why I got sick. Our TV that we use every night, credits to Blake, and our DVD player that only plays in black and white. Yeah, this is my desk. Oh, this not shower, what is this thing?
Shelf?
Shelf thing. It's from Amazon, and it was extremely hard to put together, so thanks to our dads for working on this for 2 hours. I'll try to link it in the description, but yeah, I'll probably forget. We got this plank of wood from Home Depot, right?
Mm-hmm.
To make sure the TV don't fall. Oh, and this is also from Hobby Lobby. So this is my desk. I have my laptop, the same stickers from Redbubble, and my backpack is North Face. This is my Haley Fam sweatshirt that I wear almost every day. Jewelry things from Home Goods, lamps from Target, some picture frames, a movie calendar. All of these little containers are all from Home Goods. Yeah, perfumes, my disposable camera, my makeup holders are all Home Goods as well. And then my friend's calendar that I cross off every day. And I have to flip the page today because today is the last day of July. And then all my shower stuff. And all of these drawers are very messy. And last but not least is our bathroom. We each have our own things on our mirror that open up and we can keep whatever we want in there. Our toothbrushes, some soap and lotion that has never once been used, hand sanitizer, our sponge to do our dishes, some Dawn soap, this, which is probably disgustingly dirty, cleaning stuff and not important things down there, and our fan, which we love because it gets very hot here, but it's also, our fan is possessed. No, it really is.
Explain to them.
We'll just be laying in bed, trying to go to bed at 4 a.m. and it'll just start speeding up or slowing down and randomly changing the speed and the different settings that it's on. So our room's haunted and our fan is possessed, and that's all you need to know for this video. This is our bathroom. I guess I can show you it. But you have to be quiet because our sweet mates judge us. you enjoyed our bathroom. I hope you enjoyed our room. That's it. I was wearing pants this whole time, so please don't judge me. And I hope you enjoyed our room. And we're moving out of this room in like 2 days, so stay tuned to see our room for next semester. Thank you for watching. Blake, do you want to say anything?
Bye.
Bye. I hope there's someone in the hallway. Is there anyone out there?
No?
Goodbye. Comment, like, subscribe.
You gotta hold on to me. I remember